Frustrated by the Ppcore Library DLL error causing Microsoft PowerPoint core engine to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we get into the manual guide for Ppcore Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Ppcore Library, the PowerPoint core engine. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of presentation logic, including slide transitions, animation triggers, and object manifests. It facilitates the data link between the PPT file structure and the visual renderer. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint core engine to restore the Ppcore Library DLL library without risking system instability. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Ppcore Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. If you're attempting to register Ppcore Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Ppcore Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Ppcore Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.